$1 million invested. That number changes how people look at you. It changes how you look at yourself. But here is the real question nobody explains clearly. Does $1 million actually pay you $100,000 per year? Or is that just a headline number that sounds good on the internet? In this video, I'm going to show you the real math behind a $1 million ETF portfolio. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what $1 million really produces, what it can realistically support, and what most people misunderstand about this milestone. In this video, you're going to learn how much a $1 million portfolio realistically grows per year, why growth and spending are two completely different things, how compounding behaves at this level, and how beginners can build toward $1 million using simple ETFs inside Fidelity. For most people, $1 million feels like success. It feels like safety. It feels like freedom. It feels like retirement. But investing does not care about how emotional a number feels. It only cares about what the number can produce. Let's start with the number everyone repeats. If your ETF portfolio averages about 10% per year, a $1 million portfolio grows by about $100,000 in a normal year. That is the headline. That is the number people love. But that number is widely misunderstood. Here is the most important distinction. Growth is not the same as spendable income. If your portfolio grows by $100,000, that does not mean you should withdraw $100,000, because some years will be negative. Some years will be flat. Some years will be very strong. That 10% is an average, not a paycheck. The real question at $1 million is not, how much does my portfolio grow? It is, how much can I safely use without shrinking the engine? When your portfolio is small, growth is exciting. When your portfolio is large, protection becomes just as important as growth. Your job changes. You stop trying to grow fast. You start trying to grow forever. At $1 million invested in broad market ETFs, your portfolio might grow $80,000 in 1 year, $100,000 in another, and possibly lose money in a bad year. The power is not stability. The power is long-term upward direction. People see $1 million and think, I could stop working. But the market does not provide guaranteed income. It provides long-term growth. That distinction is everything. A much healthier way to think about a $1 million portfolio is this. It is an engine that supports your life. It reduces pressure. It increases flexibility. It gives you options. It does not eliminate risk. It reduces dependence. Here is where $1 million becomes extremely powerful. If your portfolio grows by about $100,000 and you reinvest it, your next year growth is larger. Your engine grows its own engine. This is when compounding becomes self-accelerating. Reaching $1 million often creates overconfidence. People start asking, how can I grow faster? How can I be more aggressive? What else should I add? But large portfolios are not destroyed by bad markets. They are destroyed by bad behavior. When your portfolio is small, complexity feels harmless. When your portfolio is large, complexity becomes dangerous. Simple portfolios survive stress. Complex portfolios create panic. A $500,000 portfolio grows roughly $50,000 per year on average. A $1 million portfolio grows roughly $100,000 per year on average. That is not just double the money. It is double the emotional pressure to protect it. If you invest $1,000 per month and earn long-term market returns, it often takes about 6 to 7 years to go from $500,000 to $1 million. If you invest $2,000 per month, it may take closer to 4 to 5 years. At this stage, compounding begins to dominate contributions. Most people never reach $1 million invested, not because they lack opportunity, but because they break consistency long before compounding becomes powerful. They stop when markets are ugly. They stop when life gets busy. They stop when progress feels slow again. This is the first time your portfolio truly feels like a financial partner, Not a project, not an experiment, a system. Inside your Fidelity brokerage account, you use the same simple structure: a broad US market ETF as your core, optionally an international ETF, optionally a small growth tilt if you understand volatility. You automate contributions. You rebalance occasionally. You do not redesign the strategy. The ETFs that work at $10,000 work at $100,000, work at $1 million. The math does not change. Only the scale changes. The biggest mistake at $1 million is trying to be impressive. Your goal is no longer growth at any cost. Your goal is durability. $1 million does not buy freedom. It buys control. It buys margin. It buys time. It gives you the ability to make decisions without money constantly forcing your hand. If you are still early in your investing journey, $1 million is not a fantasy number. It is simply the long-term result of boring behavior repeated long enough. Protect your consistency. Protect your simplicity. Protect your patience. Because when your portfolio reaches the point where it can grow by roughly $100,000 in a year, your relationship with money stops being reactive and finally becomes strategic.